In this video, we're going to show you how to add clients to Vendasta, and I'll explain it quickly and easily so you can get started managing your clients right away. Whether you're a digital agency or just getting started with Vendasta, stay tuned to see exactly how you can add clients to your account step by step and maximize your usage of the platform. First off, let's dive into the dashboard. To add clients to Vendasta, you'll start by navigating to the Clients section on the left-hand menu of your Vendasta account. This is the place where all your client management happens. Once you're there, look for the button that says Add New Client. It's pretty obvious. Click it. Next thing you'll do is enter the client's details. This includes the client's name, contact info, and any relevant business details. Be sure to input everything accurately, especially if you're syncing with other tools in Vendasta that rely on this information. Once you've added their info, hit Create Client, and boom, they're in the system. The fourth thing you'll want to do is assign your client to a service. This can include things like reputation management, social media marketing, or anything else that's part of the Vendasta platform. Once you've selected the service, click Save. Now, let's talk about how to keep your client organized in Vendasta. After you've added them, you'll see an option to create a folder or a tag to make it easier to organize all of your clients. This is particularly useful if you're managing multiple clients in similar industries or with specific needs. With this feature, you'll have your client base neatly categorized, making it easier to manage them down the line. Moving on, you can also link your client services with other tools and features in Vendasta. For example, you can tie them to campaigns for specific marketing tasks, or if you've got a report or analytics you're tracking, that's all accessible through the client profile. It's great for keeping everything in one place. And finally, let's talk about how to assign a user to the client's account. If you have team members who need access to that specific client's information, you can assign them easily through the settings in the client's profile. This helps streamline your workflow and ensures the right people have access to what they need. Before I wrap up, remember, if you want to try Vendasta for free, click the first link below. You'll get an exclusive extended trial with some special bonuses to help you get started. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. To recap, you've learned how to add clients to Vendasta, assign them services, and organize them efficiently. These tips will help you hit the ground running, so you can get the most out of your Vendasta account and serve your clients more effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out the link below for that exclusive trial and start using Vendasta with all the perks.